Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how you can use your phone as a remote on your Hisense Vidaa Smart TV. So all you have to do, first download the Hisense Vidaa app. So you go to Play Store and download the Vidaa app, and after opening the Vidaa app or downloading the Vidaa app, you just open it and make sure your TV and your phone are connected on the same Wi-Fi. So after downloading the Vidaa app and opening it will bring you a code, and you just enter that code to your phone and your phone will connect to your TV. So if you go down, it has three icons. The middle icon is the remote icon. So if I place on that, my phone turns into a remote and I can use it on my TV. For example, you see here when I'm scrolling, the TV responds perfectly. So this, I can use it as a remote, and it works perfectly. So if you have your phone or you've lost your remote for a certain time, or you want to use your TV and you're not finding your remote, you can use your phone as a TV remote, and it has all the functions that the TV remote has. And even you get extra functions. For example, you can use your phone as a cursor. For example, there it brings a wide space where you can scroll so that you use your TV, and that's how you can connect your TV to your phone and use your phone as a remote. And there are other functions. You can download apps, and you can also organize and install apps on your TV. Thanks for watching. See you on the next